Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sonia Okri. You're welcome, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how I achieve these scores without using the curly wand. Yeah, before we get started, I would like you guys to please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up when you're done, and also share this video with your friends. So guys, let's move on to the next level. So this is the straight hair that I will be using, and you need a mannequin head. If you don't have a mannequin head, you can use your head. If you can see the back of your head, so you need a pin to pin down the hair, so when you walk in it will not move. Yeah, then you part your hair into 2 parts or 3 parts, whichever one you want to do. So after that, this is the roller that I'll be using. They are bendy rollers. The colors are so pretty. So after parting the hair, I'm trying to section the down part. Then you take a portion of the hair. Then this is what you're going to do. Brush your hair first, then pick one of the rollers rather, then bend it over before you start rolling the hair, like so. So bending it over is just for it to secure the hair from the end, no, from the root. Then when you get to the end, you to the tip end, whichever one, then you bend over again just to secure it for it not to fall off. So I'm going to take another section of the hair, then do the same thing I did here as well. So what you just need to do is just part the hair, brush, then you take one of the bendy rollers, you bend it over the hair, then you start rolling. I think it's self-explanatory. You can see what I'm doing. Then you bend again just to secure the tip. That's all. That is it. It's as easy as ABC. In the video, in real life, I was I was struggling, you know. But when you do 1 or 2, you get used to it, and before you know it, you're done. done. And this is how the hair looks like when I was done colorful. Now another thing, you need to add argan oil and candle to your boiling water. Yes, we're going to boil the hair. Yeah, you need to add argan oil and leave-in conditioner because you want your hair to still be alive after boiling it. So the argan oil will leave your hair shining when it gets dry. Then the leave-in conditioner will make it soft. You don't want to be dry. It will leave your hair soft. So another thing, you need a bigger pot. What I used was too small. The pot I used was too small, so I was struggling to dip in the hair, make sure all the coils were inside. So you need a bigger pot, so you won't be struggling the way I was. Days later, you can leave your hair for 2 days, 3 days before you depend on how thick the hair is. So I left my own for 5 days. Not intentional because I traveled though, so there was no time for me to film. So time to remove the bendy rollers. Ooh, the coils are breathtaking. So I remove the whole rollers, and this is what I got. I got this bouncing coil. Wow, beautiful. So this step is optional. I separated the coils. It was me, I love my hair full, so I separated the coils, and I didn't want to comb it, but you just have to comb the root so you won't see like space, like because of the way I rolled the hair. So I used the comb to just comb through so all those gap can just come together, if that makes sense. So you just unravel the coils and you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please do and give me a thumbs up. Bye for now. I'll see you guys in my next video.